Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable double click in Windows 11. So firstly click on start. Now here search File Explorer options. Open File Explorer options. Now here the option click items as follow. Single click to open an item, point to select. Underline icon titles consistent with my browser. And here is the option double click to open an item. So if you want to enable and turn on double click to open an item, single click to select. So first click will be for selecting and second click will be for opening that folder or file or program. So this way guys you can turn on double click on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.